Hello riders. Honda is making another breakthrough by presenting something super exclusive. Here it is, the new Honda Dax Royal Limited Edition, a retro mini bike with an even more luxurious and elegant look. This special edition comes in a classic jet black color, combined with a 3D soft chrome gold-plated emblem detail on the Dax's signature T-bone frame. From the looks of it, this motorcycle truly exudes a royal, luxurious aura, and is certainly different from the standard version. Not only that, Honda also added additional touches, such as a custom vintage-style seat, a stainless steel rear rack, and a chrome front fender, enhancing the classy look. All of these details are designed to create a classic feel, while still looking modern and premium. Because of its limited edition status, the new Honda Dax Royal Limited Edition has an exclusive serial number on each unit. So, in addition to being suitable for daily use, this motorcycle also has a very high collector's value. Moreover, Honda is only accepting orders until August 31st, 2025 at the Big Motor Sale event or the Cub House flagship store. As for the price, this motorcycle is priced at around $94,900 bait. Now, speaking of performance, the Honda Dax Royal still carries a 125 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine base with fuel injection technology, a 4-speed semi-automatic transmission, and a front and rear disc braking system with ABS. Power is around 8.3 horsepower at 7,300 RPM, with 7.6 Newton meters of torque at 4,900 RPM. These numbers aren't huge, but they're more than enough for a mini bike that prioritizes riding pleasure and practicality. In short, the Honda Dax Royal Limited Edition is a motorcycle that combines retro style, premium details, and exclusive status. It's perfect for those who like to stand out and also want to be a collector of unique, high-value motorcycles. So if you're interested, make sure you don't miss out because stocks are extremely limited.